You can't see it from here, but underneath this tap you can see a lot of limescale and dirt. So I'm going to try to clean all that off. Now there are many ways that you can do it. You can just purchase this white vinegar. Use is this ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to put this underneath. Now it is plugged into mains, so I personally wouldn't recommend this to anybody else except myself. But I'm going to put this vinegar in. Be very careful when you're using this near water. Please like and subscribe. Just turned it around. Now I'm going to turn it on. Well, yeah, it's a lot better, but there's still quite a lot of dirty limescale. So I'm going to do it again and see if we can improve that. So let's just check it again. I'll give it another half an hour with the ultrasonic cleaner. It looks like it's actually stained the rubber. So that's cleaned quite a lot off. It looks like that is actually stained, which isn't very good. Anyway, that's I think the best we can do. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. So to help my channel, if you like watching this, then please like, share and subscribe.